Hey folks, Auto Repair Champs here. I've got a 2007 Buick Rendezvous, and today I'm going to show you how you reset the oil light, or the maintenance light some people call it, on this make and model of the car. CXL Buicks. So if you come here, there's a couple ways to do this. The first way is to put your ignition on, and then you go to mode. And once you see that, you just need to hold the set button. There you go, just change to 100%. The other way to do this is you're gonna have to, with the car off, then you go on the on position, do not start the car, and then you would press on your gas pedal 3 times, and then it would reset. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.